Problems involving conic sections. We have the first problem. Robot's house is a portable Wi-Fi router that can reach a field of about 50 feet from its location. Suppose their neighborhood represents the Cartesian plane. His location is in the origin, and his house is situated 30 feet north and 10 feet east from where he is. Find the equation of a circle in general form, which describes the boundary of the Wi-Fi signal, and determine whether he can still connect to the Wi-Fi at home. Take note of the given. The given problem is all about the circle conic section, which is circle. So if we are talking about circle, there must be a center and a radius. So based on the given, the Wi-Fi router can reach a field of about 50 feet from its location. So that means that is the radius. And then the neighborhood represents the Cartesian plane, which is the location of Rowell is in the origin 0 and 0, and his house is situated 30 feet north, meaning if we're talking about north into a Cartesian plane, that is going up, or it is in the y-axis, and 10 feet east applying into Cartesian plane, that is the x-axis. So if we try to make it into an ordered pair, 10 comma 30, because 10 is x and 30 is y, or the h and the k, because that is the center. Therefore, we're going to substitute the given into the standard form. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, where 10, 30, and 50 will be substituted on the given. Sama na siya. And then 50 squared is 2,500. And what is us is the general form. So wala pa man siya in general form. Therefore, we're still going to expand x minus 10 squared and y minus 30 squared. And it becomes x squared minus 20x plus 100 plus y squared minus 60y plus 900. Copy equals 2,500. And we can still simplify 100, 900, and then 2,500 becomes negative 2,500 because we try to transpose it on the other side. Simplify 100 plus 900 minus 2,500 becomes negative 1,500. And this is already in general form. Therefore, the general form of this equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared minus 20x minus 6y minus 1,500 equals 0. Next is to determine whether he can still connect to their Wi-Fi at home even though naa siya sa other location, wala sa ilang bahay. And it should be less than the radius of the circle. So we are trying to find the distance because we are going to determine whether he can still connect even though layo siya. We are going to use d equals square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Then substitute 0 and 0 to the x sub 1 and y sub 1 because of the origin. And then x sub 2 and y sub 2, which is 10 and 30, the center. So 10 minus 0 is 10, then copy 2 squared plus 30 minus 0 is 30 and then squared. So 10 squared is 100 and 30 squared is 900. 900 plus 100 is 1000 And if we try to get the square root of 1000, that is approximately 31.62. Therefore, when you conclude, Ruel is 31.62 feet away from his house, and this is less than the radius of the circle. Thus, Ruel can still connect to their Wi-Fi at home.